If you've come across the name Bank of Hawaii and you're wondering what it actually is, the simplest way to understand it is this. Bank of Hawaii is a regional bank that primarily serves individuals, businesses, and institutions in Hawaii and parts of the Pacific region. It's not a national bank like Chase or Bank of America, but within Hawaii, it's one of the largest and most established financial institutions. What the bank actually does. At its core, Bank of Hawaii offers the same kinds of services you'd expect from a traditional bank. For individuals, that includes everyday banking like checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and personal loans. For businesses, it provides services like business banking accounts, lending, cash management, and financing. It also has a wealth management side, helping clients with investments, trust services, and long-term financial planning. So functionally, it operates as a full-service bank, but with a strong regional focus. Where it operates. As the name suggests, Bank of Hawaii is headquartered in Honolulu, Hawaii. Most of its branches and customers are located throughout the Hawaiian Islands, but it also has some presence in other Pacific markets. Because of that geographic focus, it plays a significant role in Hawaii's local economy, supporting residents, businesses, and government-related activity. Why? It's different from big national banks. The main difference is scale and focus. Large national banks operate across the entire country and often globally. Bank of Hawaii, on the other hand, is much more concentrated in one region. That can lead to a more localized approach. For example, lending decisions, customer relationships, and business services may be more tailored to the specific economic conditions and needs of Hawaii rather than a broad national strategy. It also means the bank's performance is more closely tied to the health of Hawaii's economy, including tourism, real estate, and local business activity. How big it is. Even though it's not a national name, Bank of Hawaii is still a substantial institution. It manages billions of dollars in assets and has been operating for well over a century. That longevity contributes to its reputation as a stable and established bank within its region. What people usually look at next. After understanding what Bank of Hawaii is, most people tend to look into whether it offers better service than national banks, what its interest rates and fees look like, whether it's a good option for mortgages or business banking, and how convenient it is depending on where they live, because like any bank, the best fit depends on your location and how you plan to use it. At a high level, Bank of Hawaii is a long-standing regional bank focused on serving Hawaii and nearby markets, offering a full range of financial services with a strong local presence. And while it may not be as widely known nationally within its region, it plays a major role in everyday banking and economic activity.